iCan Tutorial Services, a tutorial center for reading and writing.
Let's read sight words. Go, go. I will go. I will go. On, on. The dog is on the box. The dog is on the box. In, in. The cat is in the box. The cat is in the box. Up, up. The cat is up the stairs. The cat is up the stairs. Down, down. The dog is down the stairs. The dog is down the stairs. Under, under. The dog sleeps under the table. The dog sleeps under the table. Over, over. The dog jumps over the box. The dog jumps over the box. Jump, jump. What a long jump. What a long jump. Run, run. The ostrich can run very fast. The ostrich can run very fast. Away, away. Is looking away. Is looking away. Ride, ride. Loves to ride a bicycle. Loves to ride a bicycle. Play, play. You love to play in the snow. You love to play in the snow. Eat. Eat. I love to eat strawberries. I love to eat strawberries. Open. Open. The door is open. The door is open. Close. Close. Close the door. Close the door.
Thank you for learning with us. For more free lesson, subscribe, like, and share this video. And for free printable worksheet, visit our Facebook page at iCan Tutorial Services.